DMG MORI is your comprehensive supplier and full-line supplier both in the area of additive manufacturing of metal components as well as machining post-processing. Within the framework of a completely digitized process chain, we combine all the most important additive manufacturing methods for metal components under one roof. The LaserTech 65 3D Hybrid sets new standards in the powder nozzle process and combines laser metal deposition welding with 5-axis milling operation in one machine. The LaserTech 65 3D Hybrid offers a generously dimensioned additive working area for workpieces up to a diameter of 500 and 400 millimeters in height and a weight of up to 600 kilograms. Controlled by additive and subtractive CAD/CAM programming based on provided customer data, the LaserTech 65 3D Hybrid creates high-quality workpieces within a short period of time and offers almost unlimited possibilities in regard to product design and material. With the new developed LaserTech 65 3D, DMG MORI enlarges the powder nozzle series with a pure additive manufacturing machine, 45% less floor space, and 40% larger working room versus the hybrid version, as well as depositing of reactive materials like aluminum and titanium opens up further possibilities. The second-generation LaserTech 30 SLM is used for additive manufacturing in the powder bed process, rounding off DMG MORI's additive manufacturing product portfolio. With a construction volume of 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters, it supports the high-precision building of workpieces featuring layer thicknesses of between 20 and 100 micrometers. And the replug powder module enables contamination-free material changes in less than 2 hours. This modular changing system reduces the cleaning time, ensures safe handling of materials, and makes it possible to use any additional materials as desired. The app-based user interface, Silos, offers a consistent software solution covering everything from CAM programming with our R-Designer tool through to machine control tasks. This open system also makes it easy to customize all machine settings and process parameters. And with seamless data transfer, allowing pre- and post-processing on the HSC20 Linear and the DMU40 Evo Linear, DMG MORI provides solutions for the entire process chain, from the initial drawing to the finished part. DMG MORI Additive Manufacturing. Reinvent your metal production.